Fire in the hole, let's cook some clams. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got for you today is I've got about 1.5 dozen cherrystone clams that I've cut in half, and I've got the clam meat out of them. I'm going to put that in my Ninja chopper along with the juice, the clam juice that come out of them. Don't want to waste that. Get that clam meat into the Ninja chopper. Hope you can see that. Yeah, I think you can. There we go. Let's just give that a little pulse. Get that going. I know it's noisy. You just have to put up with it. Okay, we got our clams are chopped up a little bit. We're going to chop them further from that. Next thing you want to put in is about, let's say, some garlic. I'm talking about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cloves of garlic. How about that? You like garlic? How do you like that garlic? Okay, let's go in with that. Some garlic. Chop that up. Okay, next we need some breadcrumbs. This is Italian style breadcrumbs because they've got seasoning on them. They're really good. Need about an equal amount of breadcrumbs to clam. So if you got like a cup of clam, you want about a cup of breadcrumbs. Then we're going to put some seasoning, further seasoning. We're going to put some root beer rub on there. Number 1, a little bit of that. That's got some nice herbs and spices in it. And then we're going to hit it with some extra virgin olive oil. A little bit of that in there. That'll homogenize that all up. And I know you probably asked me why I'm not using Sang's oil. It just doesn't call for it in this application right here. We're going to get that all blended up a little bit. See how it looks. Sorry about the noise. Okay, let's see what we got. We'll check it for texture. Oh yeah, that's looking good. It's a little dry. I think I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to that to wet that up a little bit. Just a little bit more olive oil. Just a touch. Touch of olive oil. Good stuff. So we got our clams, our garlic, olive oil, seasoning, seasoned breadcrumbs. Okay, let's get that out of there and into a bowl. Where's my bowl? Here's my bowl. Let me get this into a bowl. This is the stuffing for the clams. You've noticed I've got some of the clam shells that I kind of reserved a little bit. I think this will make about 1 dozen clams, a dozen stuffed clams. I'm going to get that stuff out of there. It's fairly dry, and that's okay because we're going to put some more olive oil on it, some other stuff. So let's get this Ninja chopper out of the way. We've got here a finely diced red bell pepper and a finely diced red onion. I want to get that in there. Give that a mix. That's looking good, boy. Let's get that all mixed up and we can start stuffing our clams. So let me get that mixed up. Stay tuned. Alright, that stuffing mixture is ready to rock and roll. So what I'm going to do is take some of the larger clam shells. You know, they're not very large at all, really. But we're going to heap that up in there like that. Gonna get that piled up in there. Nice and rounded like a pile like that. There you go. Then we're going to take a little bit of paprika, if I could get my hands on the paprika. Okay, we just want to dust it with a little paprika. Not just to give it a little color, that's all. And then on each one of those we're going to put a slice of bacon. Like that. See? That's your Clams Casino as far as I'm concerned. That's my recipe anyway. I'm going to get that on the grill. I'll make another one just in case you fell asleep. Take one of the larger clams that I have. Stuff it with my stuffing. You want to heap that up as, you know, as high as you can get it. You want it to be like a mound of stuffing, of clam stuffing right there. Kind of like that. Don't want to be skimpy. There you go. A little bit of paprika. just for color, and a slice of bacon. This is the best bacon I've ever seen. This is a thick cut peppered bacon. Get that on the grill. Get another one going. Let me get, looks like this one's a likely candidate. Let me see, you want the biggest ones, you know? The biggest shells that you have left over. Here's one. Let's get this one stuffed up. Oh, this is making my mouth water. Wow, this is so good. Ah, won't stay in there. Stay in there. Mound that up on there. There you go. Okay. That's more like it. A little bit of paprika. Just for color. Slice of that thick cut peppered bacon. Don't that look good? I'm going to get that on the grill. I got a bunch of these to make, so let me get these done. I'll show you what they look like on the grill. We'll get them cooking. We'll get a beer and take a taste, so stay tuned. I got my clams on the grill, and I had enough stuff to make 15 clams on the half shell. And we're going to cook that. We're going to put the cover on that and cook it until that bacon renders down, until it gets crispy and good. And then we'll take a taste and drink a beer. So stay tuned. My clams are done. Before we get a taste of them, let's have a beer. Here's today's beer. This is Heretic Brewing Company. You Can't Handle the Juice. A New England style double India Pale Ale, 8.5 alcohol. Normally when I drink a DIPA, it usually knocks me for a loop, so I don't know. I'll probably be drunk before too long. Let's pour this out. Let's try to pour it out responsibly, not like the last couple of pours. That's a very pale, very hazy, New England style double IPA, which I am pouring perfectly today. Look at that. You can't get much better than that. You can't handle the juice. Let me get that where you can see it. How about that? And get my clams in the background. You Can't Handle the Juice from Heretic Brewing Company. Heretic Brewing Company. Let's take a sniff of that. Lassa, you've been missed, Lassa. I don't know where you're at. Let's take a sniff. Oh boy, that smells great. That smells like an IPA should. It's got, you can smell the grapefruit flavor and notes. It's very hazy, very delicious. Lassa, I don't know where you're at, Lassa, but we got to take a drink. Let's quaff the froth off it, baby. Wow, 8.5% alcohol. You really can't taste the alcohol in it. It's an awesome beer. Let me get one of these clams in my mouth. I like the looks of this one right here. That bacon. I'm not going to bother with a spoon. I'm just going to shovel this thing right into my maw. Wow, that's delicious. Just as I knew it would be. Wow. I should have got a spoon, huh? Just try to scoop it out with my fingers. There you go. Got almost all of it. Anyway, babies, that's my video. Hope you liked it. Hope you'll come back for more. We're here every week with a different beer and a new barbecue recipe for you. And this is 2010. We're going to try to do better. I don't know how, but we're going to try. Anyway, that's my video. You know what I always say. If you like this crap, please subscribe. Right over here. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell. Leave me a comment. If you don't like it, go up and see a new guy I found, a Spicy Grill. You'll like what he's doing. He's making spicy grilled vegetable stuff. You know, spicy grilled food. He's good. Gotta check him out. So, Happy New Year, everybody. And Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, ring the bell, go see the spicy grill, subscribe to me, come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. You got that going for you. Bye.